A falafel-inspired pizza? Let's go! Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
I started by par-baking a frozen cheese pizza. I used a box falafel mix and made some falafel according to directions. You could also use the store-bought kind. Let's place them around the pizza. I've got some tahini sauce I'm going to squeeze on top. Some pickled red onions. Some chopped tomato. Some feta cheese. Some Monterey Jack cheese. And I'll bake it in the oven for 10 more minutes. It's out and ready for cutting. Top with some lettuce and some more tahini. You could also use tzatziki. Falafel pizza. It's great. Love the falafel and the tahini sauce. Those tomatoes I really like on that pizza. And the feta cheese. Whoa! I think I give this Pizza Pizazz an 8.7 out of 10. What kind of insect is hard to understand? A mumblebee.